Simple Bank customers who are looking for a new bank, I came across a new bank and I wanted to share it with you. This bank, I'll leave a link in the description, but it's called One. And right now they have a special promotion going on for people who make the switch from Simple to One. So they've got a $100 bonus. They give you the details here. It ends by the end of the month. What I think is really great about it is they've got this 3% savings on autosave, which is pretty cool. You can save 1%. They've got this nice breakout of looking at the differences between One and Simple. As you know, if you're a Simple customer, these are going away anyways for Simple, but it might be a place where you want to transfer your money. One thing that I think a lot of people like about Simple is the Simple envelopes, and they do have a feature similar called One Pockets. So I hope you found this information helpful. Might be worth checking out.